Where is the content planner in Canva? It has moved, but it's super quick to find. And in this video, I'll share where Canva's content planner lives now and how you can find it. This is a Where in Canva video where I help you find features or tools which may have changed or moved in Canva so you can get your work done more efficiently. I'm Donna Moritz, Aussie Canva verified expert and top template creator for Canva. Let's do this. Previously, you would find the content planner on the homepage, and now it's hiding in plain sight under Apps in the side panel. Click Apps, then scroll down to Content Planner, click Content Planner, and you're good to go. A really cool feature of Canva's Content Planner is a selection of templates for particular celebration days. You can choose one, edit it. I can switch out the images here and then schedule it to go out on any particular time or day and even in the future, weeks or months ahead. So I just choose my time and my time zone and my day, then add my channel. I'm going to choose LinkedIn and then add my captions. So everything can be predetermined and ready to go. Job done. I can go into my calendar at any time and click and check what I've scheduled and even make edits. I love that Canva has these learn and play prompts where they prompt you for upcoming holidays and events. Who doesn't love a pancake? Reminders to connect your social media accounts. So that's super, super easy. And even prompts for some social media mastery in design school. The Canva Content Planner is available to users of Canva Pro, Canva Teams, or Canva for non-profits accounts, and not for free Canva accounts. So if you want to take Canva Pro for a spin and the Content Planner, use my link on the screen or in the description for a free trial of Canva Pro. You'll get access to all of Canva Pro's features, elements, AI, magic, and more, including the ability to schedule and automatically post your social media content directly from Canva, which saves you loads of time, and features like post planning, tracking, and scheduling across various platforms. If you like this video, please subscribe and ring the bell. It helps me create more content for you. And be sure to watch the next quick tip video in this series. I'll add it on the screen for you. Stay creative.